Well, life-saving devices are coming to Collier County schools and restaurants to help save people if they happen to be choking.
Yeah, it's called LifeVac, and hundreds of kits are being given out right now. Fox 4's Calvin Lewis is live in Collier County, where this is happening, to tell us how the community was able to put all this together.
Well, it's completely free of charge for those schools and businesses here throughout Collier County, and it's being supplied by NCH Healthcare System along with the Collier Community Foundation. And those devices are going to look a lot like this. They appear in a yellow, bright yellow bag like this one, and this is the device right here. It's called LifeVac, and it sits over the person's face to help prevent them from choking. Now, hundreds of these little devices that you see right here have been given away today. Those restaurants, schools, and businesses picked up the device and even got a brief demo on how to use it in the case of an emergency.
It's really kind of exciting for us because I know that at some point someone's going to be saved in a restaurant in Collier County, and then it makes it all worth it.
Now, the National Safety Council reports choking as the fourth leading cause of unintentional injury or death in adults, and one of the leading causes of unintentional death for infants. Of the 3,000 people who died from choking in 2020, almost half were older than 74 years old. And food is often responsible for choking incidents in the elderly, and living alone or having dentures or difficulty swallowing increases that risk. So plenty of hundreds of these devices. You'll be seeing them a lot more right here in Collier County at local schools and businesses as well. For now, reporting live here in Collier County, Calvin Lewis, Fox 4.